Hi, I'm Andrea Jaramillo, and welcome to Ideas Connected Minutes. Today I'm here with Mark Williams, CTO of Redapt. So Mark, why don't you tell me a little bit about Redapt to start with?
So Redapt is a systems integrator. We've been around for about 20 years, and we help customers really accelerate their path to large-scale production infrastructure. And we help integrate a lot of the different partners that comprise data center infrastructure, from servers to networking to cloud solutions, and we really help turnkey that for them. And we also collaborate with our partners to figure out what are the right packaged solutions to bring to the market to help customers adopt this more quickly.
So I know that 2015 has been a big year for technology shifts. How has that affected your business?
Well, it's been great because we're able to kind of look at the emerging technologies and we kind of recognize in the market that customers are getting overwhelmed with how many different choices there are. So one of the things that it's enabled for our business is to go out and work closely with partners to co-architect some of the solutions that really make for the best of breed solutions, to get customers an accelerated path rather than having to sift through and research all of these things themselves. And so some of the specific ways we've been able to do that, and in particular with Juniper, we've been able to architect an appliance approach to private cloud. So through Mirantis and Juniper and Dell, we've pre-built and pre-architected and pre-validated solutions that kind of change the game in terms of what it takes typically for customers to adopt private and hybrid cloud solutions, and it really just lets them get started much more quickly and eliminates a lot of those common pitfalls when you're trying to do it yourself.
So what strategic solutions does Juniper provide that help your customers to be successful?
Well, I think about this problem of enabling and accelerating what customers do from an operational perspective, because I've been in the trenches before, and what's compelling as a customer to want to do with all of the innovation that's happening is to try everything new, try all the different shiny objects. And what I find really valuable in Juniper's offering, particularly around SDN, with the combination of Juniper robust data center infrastructure hardware and Contrail, the solution on top of that for the SDN, is that you're eliminating the number of moving parts. You have one resource, one company that's backing both of those solutions. And I think that's extremely valuable because customers that deviate too far and introduce too many new technologies at the same time are running the risk of kind of preventing their own success because they've introduced too much change at one time. So Juniper as a company is extremely respected, and from my eyes, because it provides that robust foundation upon which you can build newer and exciting things, but at the same time they're providing SDN solutions that are well coupled with that provide that next avenue of innovation that customers need. There's several things, and I think we've done some of them this year together. And one approach is really the appliance approach, where we've prefabricated a known working environment. And what I'm looking to do with Juniper's help in the coming year is to provide an additional suite of software stacks that they can do that on, that expose the newer technologies. So specifically containers, that is gaining tremendous adoption and success. And what we intend to do is to combine Juniper technology, SDN, and robust physical integration and turnkey education to help customers adopt this more quickly. But the key element of this, and this is where Juniper and Redapt have been highly collaborative in revealing the problems that customers have as they're maturing their cloud, is looking at the successes that customer has had in adopting virtualization and making their cloud investments repeatable. And what I mean by that is customers that are new to cloud or containers oftentimes choose a technology and try to customize what's inside of it. Mm-hmm. And again, they get trapped in so much complexity of what that new technology is. And for many customers that are earlier in that maturity cycle, what's valuable is to take something that's pre-built and prefabricated that has known behavioral and performance capacities, and to adopt that and work or innovate the rest of their IT operations into what that appliance can do for them. While they're adopting that, they can then learn through actually putting it through its paces, how does it work inside, and then evolve to further customize as they need to, or further optimize as they need to. So again, these turnkey appliances really help onboard and accelerate that initial discovery and learning through something that is of a known quantity as opposed to letting a customer kind of fight it out through them for themselves.
So thank you so much for being here today, Mark.
It's been my pleasure. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. I'll see you all next time on Ideas Connected Minutes.